When your body's feeling sluggish and you need that quick energy boost, this one is for you. Take your feet hip-width distance apart. As you inhale, reach the fingertips up overhead, and as you exhale, bend your knees and swing over the thighs. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Keep the knees soft. Exhale, 2 more. One more. Inhale, come back up, reach the fingertips up. Take a moment to feel the ground beneath you. Keep the fingertips reaching as you step your legs out wide to the side. Toes point out at a 45-degree angle, and as you exhale, we bend the knees, dropping the hips down towards the earth. Cactus the arms out into your goddess pose. Breathe here. Feel the strength in the legs. Inhale, reach the fingertips up overhead and cross at the wrists. As you exhale, the arms come down and cross below. Inhale, arms cross overhead. Exhale, bend and cross below. Up we go. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Feel the energy in the legs. Feel the breath energizing you. 3 more. Last 2. Final 1. Beautiful. Reach up overhead. Exhale, come back into your goddess pose. Sink the hips down, press the knees out wide to the side. Cactus the arms, open up through the heart space. Take the hands down onto the knees. Drop your right shoulder forward, your left shoulder back. Pressing the knees gently out with your hands, taking that little twist. Inhale, back to center. Left shoulder down, right shoulder back. Press the knees out wide. Twists are a great way to give yourself that little boost of energy. Come back to the center. Stretch through those legs. Turn your toes to face forward, your heels backwards. Inhale the arms out wide to the side. Take a deep breath in here. Hands come onto the hips and we hinge forward at the hips. Coming down as deep as feels comfortable for you and your hamstrings. The hands can come down to the floor, or if the floor feels too far away, you can prop yourself up onto cushions or blocks or books, whatever feels good for you. And let the head go, let the shoulders go, let everything melt down towards the floor, energizing through the back of our bodies into those legs. Walk the hands over towards your right foot. If the foot is accessible, you can hold on to the ankle and gently pull the body down over that right leg. Inhale, walk the hands over towards the left hand side and release the body over that left leg. Let everything relax. Come back to the center. Bending through the knees, roll up through your spine, vertebrae by vertebrae. Head is the last thing to come up. Feel the length in the body from the tip of the crown of the head down towards your heels. Heel toe your feet back underneath your hips. Feel the ground beneath you. Take a deep inhale, lift the arms up, cross the wrists overhead. Exhale, let it go. Inhale. Exhale, let it go. Last one, inhale. Exhale, let it go. Breathe, observe that energy in your body. Maybe you have a little bit more space to breathe, a little bit more energy flowing through you, and you're ready to get on with your day. Thank you so much.